Jason Robinson again, Lake Michigan Credit Union. It's great when you're moving to the area, and we're a very transient community here.
Very
And
much so.
when you're moving here, it's great to work with a local lender, a local bank, because you offer programs that other people just don't offer. And I feel bad for somebody moving into the area, they don't have all of that information. But I have to ask you personally first.
Yes.
Favorite restaurant in Ann Arbor?
Pacific Rim.
Oh,
Love
okay.
Pacific Rim. That big eye tuna is amazing.
All right, perfect. So if you're coming to Ann Arbor, you're coming for a visit, you got to try the big eye tuna, Pacific Rim.
Gotta try the big eye tuna.
Man, so good. So when you're coming here, what are some programs that you really encourage people to look at that are local to Ann Arbor?
Well, it really depends on what you're coming here for. In this case, we do have a professor program. We do have physician loan programs. We do have just general programs that will accommodate that move. And in some cases, people's ability to keep their house but still be able to buy a house here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's something we've really used in the past year, is that recast mortgage to make it easy for somebody to sell and not have to wait for all of the proceeds. So then they can purchase a house with some of those proceeds in the future, right? Can you tell us a little bit about that?
So the ability to recast is the fact that we are a servicer, we hold the mortgage. We're not going to sell you off to some other lender at the closing table. You are able to call me up a couple months later if you sold your house in another state, and all of a sudden we can take some of those proceeds and apply it to the mortgage balance as if you put that down at the very beginning. It can help to get rid of things like PMI because you had to use a lower down payment, or massage your monthly payment into the range that you wanted it to be by taking those funds from your other house and putting them into the new house.
It's a great move-up program. From a real estate perspective, it makes it so much easier because a lot of people in one home, they're really worried about, I don't want to move twice, I don't want to be homeless, I don't want to put all of my stuff in storage, I know I have this great equity, so we can hold off on selling that home until they find another home. The caveat being that you have to qualify for both homes at the same time, right?
Correct, and you have to have some down payment for the new house. But that ability to be able to write an offer in this market that can be very competitive and not have to have it contingent upon the sale of your house is a huge win for you coming into the area.
Yeah, and then we know that in Ann Arbor, there's a draw here. We have world-class medical facilities. We have U of M, of course. People come here, residents, physicians. What does that program look like?
So our physician loan program, we do have 3 hospitals, major hospitals in the area. Some people go to St. Joe, some people are at the VA, some people are with U of M. There is a wonderful residency program. So once somebody matches, they can send us their contract and we can actually qualify them on their upcoming contract income and allow them to buy a house here in Ann Arbor. So match day is coming up. Based on that, certainly people are starting to get ready. They have an idea maybe where you're going to end up. And we're starting the process now. We're getting people pre-approved so that when that market heats up and the listings come on, that they're ready to go and get that home that's close to the hospital, allowing them to do their work.
Yes, and I love that you offer all of these local programs. So whether you're a first-time home buyer, you're coming here, you're a professor, a doctor, you're looking to match, and we're going to match that loan program with you. So how do I get a hold of you? I'm moving to Ann Arbor.
734-707-3337 is my cell phone, and I'm always available.
Thank you so much.